Welcome back to my series on bedroom organization. Today I want to show you how to fold these flat sheets by yourself exactly like this. If this is your first time watching my channel, I'm Tor and I love to make folding and organizing type of videos. So if you want to fold flat sheets all by yourself, it is best to do it standing up actually. So we're just going to start with a sheet all stretched out. We are going to start by finding two of the ends. So the first thing that you want to do is take the two ends that you found and put them together like this. From here you just want to stretch your arm out until you reach the other side of the end you just made. Give it a little bit of a shake so that the rest of the sheet also lines up. From here you want to let go of the side without the two ends in it. Grab the ends with your other thumbs and slide your other hand down all the way till you reach the other side, where you will find the other two ends lined up. So next you want to grab hold of the other two ends as well, like this. So now you have both ends in your hand, and from here we're actually going to join them together like this, right? So now you're holding four of the ends in your fingers, and we're just going to slide our hand down the middle like this until we reach the other side. So now we have four ends in one hand and the two folds in the other one. Just giving it a little shake again, like so. And from here, just let go of the side with just the loops so that you're holding on to the four ends, okay? So from here, we're changing a hand again. We're gonna let our fingers go all the way down to the end here, where we will grab hold of the other four ends. So again, it's really simple. You're just gonna line up these two little sides together. And again, stretch out, right? And just give it a little shake so that everything is nice and lined up. Now from here it gets a lot easier. So we're just going to join these two sides together like this. As you do this, try to just like stretch it out and line it up a little bit so that everything is even and nice, so that they're kind of running parallel down. So we're just going to grab the side with all the ends in it, and we're going to slide our hand all the way down to the bottom, where we'll grab hold of all the little folds here, and we're also going to line this side up. Line all the little side folds here up together. Grab hold of everything. Again, stretch it out. Give it a little bit of a shake. And we're going to join these two sides together as well. And again, stretch out on this side. And here, we're just going to put our knee up a little bit, and we're going to fold the entire thing in half over the middle. Alright, so you grab hold of all the different corners from here, like this. Put it up. And from here you have two options. You can either just fold it together, be done with it, or you could do it the cool way, which is by putting it down on a table like this. Now for this method we're actually going to need to fold it over the other direction. So I'm just going to open up the last fold here, stretch it out a little bit so everything is even and nice. And I'm going to split it over and fold it in half this way. Alright, so once you've done this, we're going to take this side with all the little folds here, and we're going to fold it about a little bit more than 1/3 of the way up towards the middle. From here, we're going to take the other side, while opening this little flap here on the top, the very top. We're going to stuff the rest of the sheet inside. And once everything is placed nicely inside the fold like this, you will have this beautiful folded flat sheet here. Now, this is a part of a series on how to organize your bedroom. So to check out a lot more juicy tips, head on over to my video here and you will learn a lot more.